Is Hisense Smart TV Android? When shopping for a Hisense Smart TV, many people wonder if it operates on the Android TV platform. While Hisense offers a variety of smart TVs, not all of them use Android TV. Hisense often integrates different operating systems depending on the model, including Android TV, Roku TV, and their own VIDAA platform. Understanding which system is used in your specific model will help you decide if a Hisense Smart TV meets your needs. Step 1. Understand Android TV. Android TV is a smart TV platform developed by Google, offering a user-friendly interface, access to a wide range of apps from the Google Play Store, and built-in Google Assistant for voice control. TVs running Android TV typically offer integration with Google services, and users can also cast content from their Android devices to the TV using Google Cast. Step 2. Check the model. Some Hisense Smart TVs come with Android TV, but not all models feature this platform. Hisense often uses Android TV in its mid to high-end models, providing access to Google Play apps and additional smart features like voice search and smart home integration. To confirm whether a specific Hisense model is using Android TV, it's important to check the product details or specifications. Step 3. Explore other operating systems. In addition to Android TV, Hisense also offers TVs with other operating systems. For example, many Hisense TVs come with Roku TV, which provides a different interface and access to a wide variety of streaming services. Hisense also uses its VIDAA platform on some models, which is a simpler and more streamlined system designed to offer easy access to apps and features. Step 4. Consider the features of Android TV. If you are specifically looking for an Android TV, Hisense models that feature this platform offer a wealth of features, including Google Assistant voice control, Android apps, and Google Cast. These features can enhance the smart TV experience, especially for those who use other Android devices or prefer a more Google-centric ecosystem. While some Hisense Smart TVs do run Android TV, others use different operating systems like Roku TV or VIDAA. If Android TV is a priority for you, it's essential to check the model specifications to ensure you're getting the right platform. For users who enjoy Google integration and a robust app store, a Hisense Android TV can be an excellent choice.